Greetings friends and fellow cigar box guitar enthusiasts. Del Puckett here, and we are outside on the back porch underneath the umbrella in a Pacific Northwest rainstorm. Yes, it is raining outside, but we are safe and secure under the umbrella. Alright, so this is part one in a three-part trilogy about this guitar here called the Hubcap Howler. Alright, to make a long story short, you need to see part two of this trilogy series, and that is the build video. It's a long video, but I follow the steps in this assembly instructions and how-to guide. I follow it step by step and build this thing. The third part of the trilogy video is just playing music. There are no words. In fact, it is a video. So this is the introduction video. So I want to introduce you to the Hubcap Howler. This is a Resonator, a Tenor Resonator guitar kit that was created by Ben Giddy at cbgiddy.com. And I don't want to spoil the story, but look at that paint job. Isn't that just incredible? Yep, I am not going to give you any trailers or any clickbait or any reason to go see the build video other than the fact that you will see this thing unfold. And then I will give you just a quick little sound sample, but most of the sound samples of this guitar are in this video. And this is acoustic. We are outdoors and unplugged. Alright, for more sound samples and to hear this thing plugged in, be sure to see this video. And if you want to see this thing being built, then you need to see this video. Alright guys, seriously, this is an incredible instrument. Oh my gosh. I had so much fun building it, and I'm going to have so much fun playing it. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video.